Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make your iPhone flash when you get a notification. If you're using any iPhone and you want to make your iPhone flash whenever you receive any notification, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app, and now in settings you just have to look for a software update. Where first I recommend you have to try to update your software. So open your general section, go to software update, and you have to make sure that you are on the latest version of iOS. There's no any pending update for you. If you find just try to update your software. After updating software, just go back and go to accessibility section. Select accessibility here, just scroll down and look for audio and visual. Just select audio and visual. Here further scroll down and you'll get the option of LED flash for alerts. You just have to enable this toggle to make your iPhone flash whenever you receive a call or a notification. So once you have done, now whenever you receive a call or a notification, your iPhone flashlight will blink. So in this way, you can easily make your iPhone flash when you receive or get the notification. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.